Hello, you are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. The question says that find the value of x and that of what the length of xr. So this is SR. Now from the diagram below. This is the diagram. Now how do we go about with it? Okay, so first of all, whenever you have something like this, where this one is facing, then the 90 degrees, where it's facing is the hypotenuse. All right, and where this angle, where it is facing, this side becomes opposite, then this side becomes what? Adjacent. All right, so before we even continue, since the question is about trig, all right, I need you to keep the basic, that is the sine theta, cos theta, and tan theta. So you need to keep this one. So ka tua. All right, now sine theta is equal to, the O is representing opposite over hypotenuse. All right, then the ka is representing cos theta over adjacent over the hypotenuse. Then you have the tan, which is the tua. Theta is equal to opposite over the adjacent. So whenever a question is being given to you, you need to ask yourself, what do I have, and how am I going to use what I have to get what I want? And if I don't, what I'm looking for, if I don't have the full information to be able to solve what I am looking for, what do I need to do to get it, or how do I go about getting it? So now look at the first question is one saying that we should find what? X. How do we find x? Look at this side. This side is hypotenuse and this side is what? Adjacent. So you look through this, which one actually requires hypotenuse and that of what? Adjacent. Hypotenuse and adjacent, that is cos theta. Meaning that cos theta, which is the adjacent, all right, but here is cos 60. The angle is 60, so cos 60 equal to, that is adjacent. What is the adjacent? In this case is 6. The whole of the length here is the adjacent, but you know, from this side to this side is what? 6, and this side to this side is what? X. So it becomes 6 plus x divided by this one, which is what? 20. Now what is cos 60? Let me use my calculator. You have cos 60. That will give you 1 over 2, which is the same as 0.5. So you can maintain it as 1 over 2 times, equal to 6 plus x on 20. Now, what you can do is to cross multiply it, all right? Or you can keep it this way as 0.5 equal to that is 6 plus x on 20. Then you can cross multiply or find the LCM and multiply by each term. So this times this, that will give you 10. That is, if you have 1 over 2 multiplying this one will cancel, you have 10, and that is why this one is 10, equal to 6 plus what? X. So this one will move to this side, giving you 10 minus 6 equal to x. You have x to be equal to 4. You can rewrite it as 4 also equal to what? X. Now, this is the first part of the question. The question is saying that we should also find SR, that is the length of SR. So how do you go about with the length of SR? Now you come and look through what I wrote here again. You see, you have this side, okay, and you also have this side, meaning that you can work with any of them. So here we need the opposite. But look at it, this is opposite over hypotenuse, all right? So you can say that sine 60, which you have over here, equal to the opposite, we don't know. So you can say that probably that is SR, all right? Or divided by this, that is 20. Now, what is sine 60? Sine 60, we have, that is 0.866, okay, I mean there are a lot of numbers. So you have SR multiplying 20, you multiply both sides by 20, this one will cancel. So what is 20? That will give you 17.320. You have the length of SR to be this, and